In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Pay account restricted. If you're seeing that message, it usually means Apple needs to confirm your age, identity details, or payment info before Wallet can be used again. Follow along and we'll walk through the quickest ways to resolve it. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID, then choose Personal Information. Apple Pay relies on the details in this profile, so making sure they're accurate is often the quickest way to clear simple restrictions. Now tap Date of Birth, confirm the date is correct and shows that you're 18 or older if that applies in your region. If you need to fix it, make the change so it matches your official documents, then tap Done to save. This alone clears many age-related holds. If you use family sharing, be aware that the organizer's settings can affect age-based features. If the restriction remains, go back to your Apple ID screen and select Payment and Shipping. Under Payment Methods, remove the card you use with Apple Pay, then add it again. Re-enter the details and make sure the billing address and postal code match what your bank has on file exactly. Small mismatches can trigger flags. Removing and re-adding the card refreshes the secure token on your device. It won't cancel your physical card or affect past transactions. Still restricted? Contact Apple. Open a web browser on your phone and search for Apple Support Contact Us. Tap the Contact Us result. If you prefer to call, choose the option to find the phone number for your location. Otherwise, scroll and select Online Support for iPhone to continue on the web. Follow the prompts until you see More, then choose Apple Pay and tap Continue. This routes you to the team that handles wallet and payment verification, so you'll get help from the right specialists. Use the on-screen options to connect by chat or phone. Explain that your Apple Pay account is restricted and mention you've confirmed your date of birth and re-added your payment method. Keep your device nearby and be ready to verify your identity. For security, don't share full card numbers or one-time codes in chat. The advisor will review your account and, if extra verification is needed, guide you through it and lift the restriction when everything checks out. Some restrictions are security related and can only be removed by Apple after they review your information, so don't worry if you can't clear it on your own. And that's it. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.